Today I want to show you a puzzle. I learned this in my teenage. I made myself use a piece of plastic. I bought it from a craft shop and cut 2 slots here, 1 hole on each side. And I have also made a string with 2 small plastic balls. I got it from, I think they called hair knockers to tie the ponytails. Then I found out it's actually a very old puzzle. I found it in my 100 years old book. You can see here, it's showing a picture with a piece of paper and a string hanging 2 Chinese coins. In the book it's called仙人开锁, which means immortal open the lock or unlocks. This book is already over 100 years old now, so the puzzle is quite old. And according to the picture, I put the puzzle in there, so it's hanging like this. Now the game is to separate these 2 items, and you can see the ball is actually bigger than the hole, so you can see you can put through here. And now if you want to try it, and you can build one and pause the video, I will show you the solution after this. Okay, to solve the puzzle, you can see here there's a picture. It's not easy to understand. I can show it to you now. So basically you can see it hanging from here to the back. What you need to do is pull this strip through the hole. So I'm going to do it from this side. Push this through here. So now you can see I have to pull the string over here. Now you just need to make the loop here large enough to pass through the ball here. Now you can see this one is separated, and voila, all done, separated. Now I want to give you a bit of homework. This is a variation of the puzzle. So you can see before the string will go down through the hole here. Now it's go across this side and go to the back and come through the hole here. So the principle is the same. So you can build one and figure out how to solve this. And let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.